Hi guys, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at Robin Market. Robin Market, I like to call it a decision market that is built on Chromia. Currently they are on their test net, as you can see. So this is what the interface looks like. Most of you might be wondering what a decision market. This is where DAOs can actually bring up proposals for members to vote. So if you look, you can see some of the past markets that decisions has already been made. Like I said, this is just a test net. Okay, so if we go back to the live market, you can see that the current proposal here is about should Kronos launch the validator roulette program, and you can see it has an end date. So you can read some of the information on the left hand side to get a better understanding of what the proposal is like. So DAOs can come here and make proposals while users can vote in the form of trading. Okay, so I think in this tutorial I'm going to explain what this is all about. So let's go to portfolio. Here in the portfolio, you can see the different tokens. We have Robin USD, and Kronos. So yours will definitely be showing zero balance. So click on that tab, and you would have to get your wallet address. Now, don't forget this is still on a testnet, so you would need to add your Binance Smart Chain testnet chain. So here you copy the address, you paste it, you verify you're human, and then you can take your time to read some of the information that is within there. So I think they're also trying to make sure that there's no CBIL attack, so you might only get to claim per IP. So here you can see I've kind of updated my balances. So now this is what is in your wallet. So for you to get it to Chromia, you would have to bridge it. So here, this is where you decide how much Chronos you would have to bring to your Robin market. So now don't forget that if it comes to this stage of bridging, you might keep getting it might keep loading. So all you need to do is just refresh the page for you to see how much you deposited. So here, let me quickly explain what this whole decision market is all about, right? So at the top there, you can see three prices: the past price, fail price, and the spot price. The past price is the price should the decision go through. So should Kronos launch a validator roulette, if you want it to go through, that's the past price. The fail price is if the everybody decides, or most persons decide that no, we don't want this to go through, right? And the spot price is the actual price that the Kronos token is trading on a centralized exchange. Okay, so how do we come about the pass price and the fail price? Is based on the trading that is going on in Robin market. So you can see that the pass price currently on this market is different from the spot price and is different from the fail price. So the pass price is the amount of trades and the volume of trade. This is what is used in calculating what the pass price should be. So now for you to decide whether you want to buy the pass or fail, you would need USDR, right? To do that, that's the token you would use to trade the market. Now the way it works is, for example, let's say I decide that no, I don't want Kronos to do the validator roulette. Now I'm going to click on fail, right? And then when I do click on fail, I'm now going to buy the fail market. So what that means is I'm going to use my USDR to buy the fail market. And if at the end of this period, this thing fails, or this market fails, more persons buy the fail market, I would have made some money for myself, right? Because the way it works is everybody decides to either buy or sell. So now, let's say I have decided to buy the market, that the validator roulette program should go live. All I need to do is to check the order book price. Now there is an order book price. So for the past markets, you can see it's about 9 cents, which is lower than the spot price, right? So meaning if I buy a past market, I am buying at a cheaper price than what is trading on an exchange. Okay, so if I do so and this market passes, I'm actually going to make money. So everybody that buys any market and that market succeeds, whether it's a pass market or a fail market, gets to keep the tokens. So let's say I want to buy, say, let's say 4,000 CRO. So here it's going to cost me about 360 USD R, and I'm buying it market. If I click on place order, so you can see the price I'm buying it at. If I click on place order, the my order will automatically be filled. I have to confirm that. So now that you can see my order is filled. So now that my order is filled, you can see my balance has reduced. If we scroll down and we go to my trades, you could see all the trades, or the trades that I took, and how it filled the order, because it's an order book and I bought at market, so it kind of filled my orders. So what this means is now I have predicted that should this launch, or I want this proposal to pass, and because I have placed my order in it, if it passes, right, I'm going to make some money because I bought it at a cheaper price. Now also you can still decide to sell tokens still within the market if it has not ended. So let's say now you can see my CRO balance has increased, but let's say I want to sell that same amount that I bought, which is about 4,000 CRO tokens. You could see that the price has increased a little bit from 360 to about 370. This is because the price increased from the last time I bought. So don't forget that these markets are proposed by DAOs, and each market has its start date and its end date. Okay, now either market, whether you buy a pass market or a fail market, for example, since I bought a pass market, if the pass market goes through, I get to keep the token that I bought at a cheaper price, and then everybody that bought the fail market gets a full refund, right? This is how it works. If the market fails, like in this my case now, if the market fails, I would get a full refund. Okay, so let's go to portfolio. If you scroll down, you can see that I have locked asset, I have 4,000 CRO, meaning if this market passes, I get to keep that 4,000 CRO that I bought at a cheaper price. But if it fails, I will not keep the 4,000, rather I would get back my 360 USD R that I invested. So that's it, guys. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section, or in the group you can ask your questions. See you later, guys. Bye bye.